Get ready for an exciting tour that will bring you right to the heart of Southeast Alaska and the lush Tongass National Forest. Hop aboard the exploration boat and feel what it's like to be a local Alaskan while taking in the amazing sights and sounds. Volunteer to pull up the crab pots from the beautiful waters surrounding Revillagigedo Island, which overflow with crab, salmon, seals, and whales. Enjoy your hard work with all-you-can-eat dungeness crab, delicious sides of baby red potatoes, and a fresh salad. Be sure to save room for fresh cheesecake with blueberries on top. From a breathtaking exploration by boat to an Alaskan-style crab feast, this adventure is not one you will soon forget.